Hey guys, today on Healthy to Hog Wild Food, I'll be making a caprese turkey meatball salad. We'll start out by making some wonderfully light caprese turkey meatballs, a simple Italian salad, and then a wonderful red wine vinaigrette. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, to begin today, I have placed 1 pound of ground turkey in a bowl along with 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella pearls, 3/4 of a cup of sun-dried tomatoes chopped. There's 2 tablespoons of fresh basil chopped. There's 10 cloves of garlic minced, a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg beaten. From here, we're just going to jump in here with our hands and we're going to mix this thoroughly. Okay, once you have your meat mixed thoroughly, you want to begin forming meatballs and place them on a pre-oiled baking sheet. You kind of want to make a medium-sized meatball with this, nothing too big. Okay, once you get all your meat rolled into meatballs, next we're going to want to give them a little shot of oil over the top and then place in a 400-degree preheated oven for 25 minutes. Okay, now while our meatballs are in the oven, we're going to make a quick sauce to dip those in. We're going to start out with a saucepan over low heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of milk, a 1/2 cup of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice along with 1 tablespoon of salt, and 15 sun-dried tomatoes chopped. Next, we're going to hit that with an immersion blender to break up our ingredients. Once all your ingredients have combined, continue to cook on low for a few minutes to build flavor. Next, you just want to build a simple Italian salad. Whatever ingredients in your salad you prefer, just go ahead and use. But I actually want to talk to you about this jar. In this jar is my red wine vinaigrette that I'm really excited about. There's a 1/2 cup olive oil, a 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 clove garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of Romano cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. You can simply just put that in a jar like this and just give it a good shake. Now from here, you want to lightly dress your salad, again to your own preference. I would like to ask everyone to please like and subscribe to this channel for more great recipes from healthytohogwildfood.com. Now last, we're going to give our meatballs a hefty coat of our sauce before plating on the salad. Basically just like that.